Yo, what up? What up? As you all know, chat. Today I'm gonna be doing Ileweza dog. Reaction video for Unosange album. Like there's a song that and then like Nganya pa yabo pa Unosange yabo and the Kamalaya Unosange yabo. I feel like this song it's sad, ne, but at the same time it's giving a band like ithemba. 3 ways in the guy, and there's a lot of things that we know by Zenzeke Bumin Betu, but Siatula bra, like I've never ever thought like Mabulala would write something like this. And yeah, Slapa bra, let's just play, bro, like boy. Even if beat bra indlela engena ngalo beat, I don't wanna lie, I wanna like inalando man. You feel it about kicks in, nah man, there's that thing bro, there's that thing we feel like nah man, yeah bro, manje tufike kakutheni kwezi point ezinje, but yeah man.
Umhlaba ngivele ngikhumbula umawami ulile nenkinga wena wangishiya ngisemncane semaphusheni ami angikuboni angisawazi. Wanna tell you that I made it bonke bayangazi. Mama akobuya iqhenya ngami.
No ways. I don't want to comment, bro. Like,
umhlaba ngivele ngikhumbula umawami ulile nenkinga wena wangishiya ngisemncane semaphusheni ami angikuboni angisawazi. Wanna tell you that I made it bonke bayangazi. Mama akobuya iqhenya ngami. Mawami nje ngisibina wathi Table records, I'm throwing fire. Spusiso lokhuluma ndodana yakho yokuqala. Did you know I'm famous now? Did you know they praise me now? My sister's your daughter's mom.
like la tone isusapho bra. Umhlaba ngikhumbula umawami khulile ngimdala ngokuwa nje angisemncane, bro. No ways, bro. Like isuka phi la flow dog. Isuka phi la flow, man. Yo ali out. Yo. Yo.
Nenkinga wena wangishiya ngisemncane semaphusheni ami angikuboni angisawazi. Wanna tell you that I made it bonke bayangazi. Mama akobuya iqhenya ngami. Mawami nje ngisibina wathi Table records, I'm throwing fire. Spusiso lokhuluma ndodana yakho yokuqala. Did you know I'm famous now? Did you know they praise me now? My sister's your daughter's mama. I be sending no money now. Sometimes I be crashing out. Easy knocks in the mama.
No bro, like ihook yaqela ba okay say xa ngishaka zinto zomhlaba ngivele ngikhumbula umawami khulile ngoku ngimdala wangishiya ngisemncane, yabo all the stuff ba okay say awusangiveleli nasephupheni ndagcina ngemncane, yabo. And then comes uthi qhinewe ba like mama kubani lo sithi as if like uthetha naye, bro, like spiritually, like uyayiva nozihle, like each and every person, bro, like ongena oledi really feels that song and uyayiva la point yoba no ways man, like ubone like naye ngathi like nguye lo uthethayo uthetha ne-audit like bro like there's a lot of people like abangenabo oledi ne and they do like sometimes bathi ba babe khona oledi izinto ezikanje bezingazi kwenzeka kahle kabuhlungu kanje yabo so manje uyambalisela boledi ba okay mama made it this far yabo mama ngukhulelo lokhulumayo damn bro niggas
Bawamo nje ngispin away Table records I'm throwing fine Sibusiso lokhuluma Dodana yakho yokuqala Did you know I'm famous now? Did you know they praise me now? My sister's your daughter's mama I be sending no money now Sometimes I be crashing out Easy you know send no mama Got myself depressed for none Really no one's in my mind Done in life I'm trying to find me It gets hard but I'm harder mama Need you more man just sing him down Need you more man just sing him down Mama, I got influence. I got kids looking up to me. Mama, I get anxious. Book when I would talk to you. To the gym of hours and took off. I heard stories of you, not ulo. Now I tell stories of you, not ulo. Super grateful that we share the same pool pub. Jamming show, shabang belen kumbo mawami. Ulile nenkinga wena wanshi ang semngani. Sema pushe nami ang ikboni ang sawazi. Wanna tell you that I made it, won't give I am. Mama, agobuya iqhenya ngami. Jamming show umhlaba ngibele ngikhumbula wami. Ulile nenkinga wena washiya semncane. Semaphushe nami angikuboni angisawazi. Wanna tell you that I made it, won't give I ask. Mama, agobuya iqhenya ngami.
guys like do you get this one like bro noba like this le track bra like nami ibhalisele kuwe noba like kunjani ebomini bakho ne but just know that like uThixo khona and audit lakho lizohlala nawe endleleni yakho bro this one is a masterpiece bro I had to like say the ring kuyo cause no ways I fuck with this one bro like I hope uyalona nami my mom has been a while oh bro no ways otherwise shout out to my Bulala guys please go and follow Umabulala, you know what it is. I'm out. Peace, gang. I love you all, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share. Let me not say follow. What you gonna follow? Subscribe, dog, and like my video. I'm out. Peace.